Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about enlargement. Question 4, answer these questions about enlargement. Now, we have true or false questions about enlargement. Let's take a look at the questions and understand them and then answer them. Question A, when we enlarge a shape using a negative scale factor, the center of enlargement will be between the image and the shape. What do you think about this, guys? When we have a negative scale factor, it means that this is the point, for example, center of enlargement. If we have a shape like this here, so when we enlarge the shape using a negative scale factor, first thing we do, we measure the distance between the point and the shape, and then multiplied by the factor or scale factor of enlargement. If it's positive, it's going to go this way. If it's negative, it's going to be the opposite way. Now, we're talking about a negative scale factor, so it's going to be the opposite way, which is here, for example. And then we have the center of enlargement between the two shapes with negative scale factor. Now, the question says, when we enlarge a shape using a negative scale factor, the center of enlargement will be between the image and the shape. So that's true. Using a negative scale factor makes the center of enlargement between the two shapes. Because it's negative, it's going to go the opposite way. Very good. So this one is true. We put true on it like this. Good. Now, next question, talking about using a fractional scale factor. Question B, using a fractional scale factor makes the shape bigger. Using a fractional scale factor makes the shape bigger. What do you think about this? Very good. Now, let's understand what's the meaning of fractional scale factor. Fractional means fraction, for example, half. For example, when I say give me half of this, or construct half of this or that. Now, a fraction of something or a fraction of a shape means something smaller than the shape itself. Now, when I talk about a square and I say I need half of it, it means I need something smaller than the shape that I gave you. So using a fractional scale factor makes the shape smaller, not bigger. So this is false. So question B is false. Very good. Now let's talk about C. The distance between the center of enlargement and the point on the shape is multiplied by the scale factor to get the new distance for the enlarged shape. Now, to understand this, let's talk about using a scale factor. Center of enlargement. Let's say this is center of enlargement, and this is the shape that we want to increase or enlarge. Now, the first step we do, we measure the distance between the shape or one of the points and the center of enlargement, and then we multiply it by the factor to get the new distance of the new shape. Now, this question says here, the distance between the center of enlargement and the point on the shape is multiplied by the factor to get the new distance. So this is true. Very good. This is true. Now, we put true here. Good. Now, the last one is, a positive scale factor makes the shape upside down. A positive scale factor makes the shape upside down. What do you think about this? Very good. This rule or this fact is one of the negative scale factor facts. It's not a positive scale factor facts. We said that the negative scale factor makes the shape upside down, but a positive scale factor makes the same orientation of the shape. It doesn't change it to upside down. So this one is false. Very good. So a positive scale factor doesn't make the shape upside down. Very good. I hope you understood the idea. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.